treasure at Grays Online is this holy grail of all Ford cars, the GTHO Phase 3. Genuine matching numbers car, beautiful condition, very well known, no question about its authenticity. It's had a little bit of work here and there, but genuinely not restored. You know, it's original style condition and in very good nick. So these are the most collectible of all Aussie muscle cars. So if you've ever hankered after one, here's your chance. Looks beautiful in white, tan trim, all the right tags, the real deal. As it left the factory, beautiful condition, signed by the great Alan Moffat. He must have signed literally hundreds of these over the years. But it's beautiful, beautiful condition, like a really, really nice version of the GTHO Phase 3. These were effectively made to lap Mount Panorama in the fastest possible speed. They were about 11 seconds quicker than the previous year, the Phase 2. But imagine, you know, I've quite often discussed this with Alan Moffat over the years, wrestling one of these around the mountain, little tiny skinny steering wheel, no power steering. They had to have the standard seats in them. There weren't any, you know, racing seats. They had a harness that you would fall around in the seat. I mean, those guys were actually pretty tough characters.